How to add a favicon in WordPress. Log into your WordPress account and you will see this page. On the left side above Plugins, hover on Appearance. Click on the Customize option. Click on the Site Identity. Site icon field will be displayed on the below left side. Click on the Select Site Icon button and add an image. Click on the Select button. Click on the Publish button. That's it, you have successfully added a favicon in WordPress. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.